Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to change your Google profile picture on Android. Your name and profile picture can be viewed by other people who use Google service, including when you communicate or share content. Take note that if you use different name on your YouTube channel, any change you make to your Google account name will not be reflected on YouTube. But if you change your Google name or profile picture, it won't change your YouTube name or profile picture. On your Android phone or tablet, open Google. Then, on the upper right corner, press your profile. Then, tap Manage your Google account. Then, tap your profile again. Now, you can add your profile picture. A picture helps people to recognize you and lets you know when you're signed in to your account. So, just press the Add Profile Picture. Then, you can choose from different illustrations or from Google Photos or directly in your device photos. So, let's try to put the illustrations. And then just save. So, the profile picture will be updated soon. So, it will take a day or two to see the change across all of the Google services. So, that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!